Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to talk about very important topic and which is treated as disruptive innovation in the field of education. Around 9 years ago, the Universe Time 2012 declared as the year of MOOC. No doubt, before that we had MOOC, but scale was very limited and what we call CMOOC. And after 2012, a number of big platforms came and like edX, Coursera, Udacity. So what we call XMOOCs. Country like India, we also realized that and we came with the big platform called Swayam. And interesting thing is that we had one platform exclusive for agriculture since 2014. And we had last year itself new education policy and focus is towards about the skill development and how to harness the potential of digital platforms and more focus toward about the MOOCs. Now the question is, across the world, most of the MOOCs are designed for the students, researchers, or this type of learners only. So now question is, are MOOCs limited to only student learning and formal education? We can't extend up to last mile? If yes, now question is, that group of learners are different. So how can we motivate them to use such type of e-platforms? And no doubt they have a lot of experience. So whether MOOCs is able to promote knowledge sharing and peer learning? Another important question is because agriculture is not somewhat about the only cognitive things related to only knowledge. We have to talk about how to do the things. We have to practice it. So can MOOCs inculcate skill or functional knowledge? And then the important question is whether we need a different set of pedagogy for this type of MOOCs. So now I'm going to just discuss with the experience of our MOOC about these questions. Overall, we organized CASI-based MOOC and last year itself during the COVID time. And across the 52 countries, altogether 7,390 people participated. And you can see here, the interesting thing is that even AG MOOC platform, there is no as such category of farmer in participants group. So they had to register in individual category. Another important thing is came out around 80% participants are below 30 years of age. So our group is that only, we have to target it. Another, and it was about the 6-week course. And during the first week, we discussed about the fundamental things, what is that and concept and everything, but it was a kind of practical things. And the second week itself, we demonstrated with the help of video about the how to handle the machineries, how to calibrate the things related to conservation agriculture. And third week was more about the agronomical management. And during fourth week, and we discussed about the CASI and its challenges. And then we discussed about advantages of CASI. And during last week, we also discussed if you are an entrepreneur. So you can also start as a service provider, some business and entrepreneurs, that's a venture. And we also discussed some success story. And the thing is that we just after completion of the course, we conducted one survey, and you can see here, and this is when even that respondents are very much happy and related to the course material, about the quizzes, the pace of the course, and the instructor's knowledge. And another interesting things, we also asked one question, because many that researcher reported that certificates could be one of the motivation factors for the participation. But no, they came for only knowledge. They don't need any about kind of certificates. It's okay. Another thing is that because this is a different set of people, So traditionally or usually we follow about the we used to publish about things about websites or in fact used to just send letters and other things, but no, for targeting farmers we did a different kind of innovations. We targeted farmers fair. We had more than 10,000 farmers participate and we distributed our brochure. We published this kind of news that this is for farmers and we are going to organize one MOOC in local newspaper. We publish it in about the WhatsApp and Facebook. We have one YouTube channel in which 3.48 lakhs subscribers are there, and we used to that upload farmers related content only, and it is in Hindi. So we also develop one video how to register and what are those benefits, what we are going to discuss, what is the objective. In addition, we also targeted about the people, and we found out that people who are just working for agriculture and available in YouTube and all. So we also requested to just publish our and popularize our schools. Another important things and innovation we did, as I mentioned, we have a YouTube channel, and for promoting this learning and peer learnings, we used to conduct one live session every week, and we just note down about the questions and then have the discussions and everything. And sometimes farmers are hesitant to just write, so there is a facility for audio message they used to send, and we have discussion. And for further clarification or specification, we had one expert group, and we used to do about the act as a facilitator, and we used to do about the paraphrasing, summarizing the things for more discussion and other things, creating new topics. So these are some innovation we did, and it was a more than 5,000 questions and discussions came out. And now important thing is that MOOC is sufficient for transforming since from the information to about the action. No, we can reach up to intention. We analyzed all the questions, and we found that the interesting thing that in the during the first 1 or 2 weeks that people were asking more about the what is this CASI, what is this conservation agriculture, and later on they used to ask about how to do the things, about the process details. But yes, for converting into an action, that we had to go for a capacity building about the overall ecosystem for that. Another question is, we need a different set of pedagogy or we need a general pedagogy? No, we need a different kind of pedagogy, because we are going to target a different set of learners. Because we are going to talk about the functional knowledge, we are going to talk about the skill development, we are going to talk about the experiential learning. So we need a different set of pedagogy, we need some innovation, how we can engage such type of learners. And we have to not stop here itself, we have to go for the hand holdings, then we can convert this knowledge into action. So friends, I would like to conclude here. The first learning, for participation of more number of farmers, we have to go for the personalized learning, and not only the single platform, we have to identify where they are available, YouTube channel or anywhere. So we have to target multiple platforms. And for the peer learnings and knowledge sharing, we can go for the live discussions, social media, we can use it, facilitation skills, and diverse group of participants, if they are available there, they can discuss with each other. That is another important thing and learning for us. And friends, we can create knowledge, awareness, and even we can reach up to intention for implementation. But for converting into action, we have to go another set of demonstration and capacity building. For this, we have to go for a robust research for the learning outcomes, standardization of pedagogy, learning ecosystem for this kind of MOOC. And friends, this is a beginning. So we have to organize more number of MOOCs for promotion of sustainable agriculture, which is a future for us. So thank you very much.